you're looking for the best cPanel hosting for your website, this video is going to save you a lot of time and probably a lot of money too. Because not all cPanel hosting companies are created equal. Some are slow, some overload servers, some charge extra for features you should already get, and some make it way harder than it needs to be to manage your website. But the right cPanel hosting provider gives you an easy dashboard, strong performance, great uptime, email accounts, one-click installs, backups, and an easy way to manage your website without stress. In this video, I'm going to show you the best cPanel hosting providers right now based on performance, ease of use, features, pricing, support, and who each host is best for. And if you want the best pricing on any of the hosting companies I mentioned, I'll have links in the description below. Quick disclosure, those are affiliate links, which means I earn a commission at no extra cost to you. You still get the lowest pricing available, and in some cases, lower than going directly. Let's get into it. First up is Bluehost. Bluehost gives you a beginner-friendly dashboard plus full cPanel access, which is a great combination for new website owners. That means you can use simple tools when you want convenience and cPanel when you want deeper control. Inside cPanel, you can manage domains, emails, databases, file manager, backups, security settings. Bluehost is especially strong for WordPress websites and beginners who want something easy to use. Best for beginners, WordPress users, first websites. Next is hosting.com. If speed matters to you, hosting.com is one of the stronger cPanel options. They offer traditional cPanel hosting with performance-focused infrastructure and faster server options than many budget hosts. You still get the classic cPanel experience while aiming for stronger loading times. Best for speed-focused users, growing websites, developers. Next is InMotion hosting. They've been around a long time and offer reliable cPanel hosting with business-friendly features. You get cPanel, email hosting, security tools, strong uptime, helpful support. Best for business websites, professional sites, long-term users. Another solid option is HostGator. HostGator is well known in the hosting space and offers beginner-friendly cPanel hosting at competitive pricing. It's a straightforward option if you want classic cPanel hosting without spending too much. Best for budget buyers, small websites, beginners wanting cPanel. Last up is GreenGeeks. GreenGeeks offers cPanel hosting while focusing on environmentally friendly web hosting. So if you want solid hosting with a greener angle, they're worth considering. You still get cPanel, email accounts, WordPress installs, security tools, good performance. Best for eco-conscious users, blogs, small business websites. Which cPanel hosting should you choose? If you want the best overall, Bluehost. If you want speed, hosting.com. If you want business hosting, InMotion hosting. If you want lower pricing, HostGator. If you want eco-friendly hosting, GreenGeeks. If I had to shortlist the best cPanel hosting providers right now, I'd go with Bluehost for beginners, hosting.com for speed, InMotion hosting for business, HostGator for budget, GreenGeeks for eco-friendly hosting. Check the links in the description below if you want the best current pricing. And if this video helped you, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.